Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AB Learners. Today, we're talking about something that can literally change the way people see you. How to give a strong first impression. And trust me, this is one skill that can help you in interviews, college, relationships, and even daily life. So let's get started. Number 1. Start with confident body language. People notice your body before they notice your words. Stand straight, shoulders relaxed, and make eye contact. Example, imagine you're entering a room for an interview. If you walk in with bent shoulders and nervous eyes, you look unsure. But if you walk in confidently, smile lightly, and greet politely, you instantly look capable. Why it works? Strong body language tells people you are secure, calm, and trustworthy. 2. Smile. It's your best accessory. A smile is the fastest way to build comfort. Not a forced smile, a natural, soft smile. Example. Think about meeting someone new in your class or office. If they greet you with a smile, you automatically feel positive towards them. Why it works? Because a smile says, I am friendly and approachable. 3. Speak clearly and calmly. Your voice tone matters more than your words. Don't rush. Don't sound too loud or too soft. Just speak at a comfortable pace. Example, if someone asks you, tell me about yourself, don't reply super fast like a machine. Instead, pause, breathe, and speak in a relaxed tone. It shows confidence. Why it works? Clear speaking shows clarity of mind and good communication skills. 4. Dress neatly and suitably. You don't need expensive clothes. Just look clean, neat, and appropriate for the situation. Example, for college presentations, a simple shirt, tidy hair, and clean shoes work better than casual, messy clothes. Why it works? People judge what they see first, and neatness shows discipline. 5. Use their name and show genuine interest. When you meet someone, repeat their name once while talking. Example, nice to meet you, Rohan. This small effort makes people feel respected. Also, ask simple, friendly questions like, how has your day been? Or, what do you enjoy doing? Why it works? Showing interest makes the other person feel valued. Instant positive impression. 6. Be a good listener. Most people focus only on what they want to say. But if you listen carefully, people automatically like you more. Example, if someone shares a small detail like, I love writing, respond with interest. Oh, that's great. What kind of writing do you enjoy? Why it works? Listening shows emotional intelligence, the strongest social skill. 7. Be yourself, not an overacting version of you. Trying too hard, talking too much, bragging, acting over smart, ruins impressions. Just be your best, natural self. Example, instead of pretending you know everything, it's okay to say, I'm still learning, but I'd love to know more. Why it works? Authenticity builds trust instantly. Final message. First impressions are not about being perfect. They're about showing confidence, warmth, and respect. So remember these 7 points. Confident body language, natural smile, clear speaking, neat dressing, using names, good listening, being yourself. Apply them today, and you'll notice how people's attitude towards you begins to change. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AB Learners. for more life skills and communication videos.